Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you this very yummy recipe of puff puff olibola, we call it here. And I'm using just 3 ingredients, and I'm using pre-mixed flour. And in here is my pre-mixed flour. You can see that I have 3 packs, and each pack is 500 grams, and total is 1500 grams. And I'm using 1500 milliliters of water as well, and I'm going to be adding raisins to it. So I'm just going to pour the flour mix in my bowl, and I pour in the raisins. I just pour in the water, and I mix it all together, and I cover it up to let it rest for 45 minutes. Then I just deep fry it. So my puff puff is ready. It's not difficult at all. If you want to get this puff puff mix, you can go to your supermarket and ask for it. It's very easy to use if you don't want to do it from scratch. So now I'm gonna do the mixing. I pour everything in already, so now I'm just going to cover it up and let it rest for 45 minutes. Then I'm going to heat up my oil and start frying. You can see now it has rested. That is my mix. So now it's frying time. I heat up the oil already. Just put it in my oil. Then yeah, puff puff is almost ready. And I hope you try it. It's so easy to prepare and it's so yummy as well. And thank you so much for joining me. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Angela's Easy Cooking. Like my page, follow this page, and let's build it together. Thank you so much for joining. Bye.